Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we will show you how to enable gaming features in Windows 10 so you can record and play games smoothly on your PC. We'll go through each step clearly, making it easy to follow. Step 1. Click the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and open Settings. This opens the main configuration menu for Windows, where you can adjust system features and preferences, which is important to access gaming options. Step 2. Select Gaming from the Settings menu. The Gaming section contains all the features related to Xbox and game recording, including the game bar and game mode, which are essential for an optimized gaming experience. Step 3. Turn on the game bar under the Game Bar tab. The game bar lets you capture screenshots, record gameplay, and access gaming widgets while playing, so enabling it is crucial for recording and streaming games. Step 4. Go to the Capture tab and enable background recording and audio recording. Background recording allows Windows to record gameplay in the background, and audio recording ensures that sound is captured along with video, which makes your recordings complete. Step 5. Click on Game Mode to make sure it's turned on, then close Settings. Game Mode optimizes your computer's performance for gaming by prioritizing resources, which helps games run smoother and improves recording quality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more quick tech fixes.